Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to install apps on the iPhone 17 Pro or literally any iPhone running on the latest iOS version. Specifically, this is going to be helpful if you're a beginner or you're just new to the iOS environment. Now, to install apps on the iPhone 17 Pro, first off, you have to make sure you're connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or your cellular data. So you want to first of all swipe down and then make sure you're actually connected to the internet either through your Wi-Fi or turn on your mobile data. Currently, I am connected to my Wi-Fi network, as you can see. So once you're sure you're connected to the internet, you want to go ahead and open up the iOS App Store, which is basically this app over here. If you do not find it, you can just go over to the search icon, go ahead and search for apps or App Store, and you should be able to find it from over here. Once you find it, you just want to tap on it to open up the App Store of the iPhone 17 Pro. And basically, you would have to set it up if you're opening it up for the first time. So click on continue, click on allow while using this app. And that is all you have to do. Now at the top, you can literally see my profile icon, meaning that I am already signed into my Apple account or Apple ID on this particular iPhone. If you're not signed in, make sure you actually sign into your Apple account or your Apple ID. I have a separate tutorial on how to go about doing that, and I'm going to leave a link to that in the description of this video. Now, once you have your account signed in, you want to proceed to search for the specific apps you want to download or install into your iPhone 17 Pro. To search, you want to tap on the search icon at the bottom over here, and then just come inside of this searching pursuit and search for the name of the app. Take for instance, if I want to get the Google Chrome app, I'll just search for Chrome, click on the search icon, and you're going to see results for the Google Chrome browser on the App Store. Now you can go ahead and download it by simply clicking on this download icon over here. Sometimes you may not see the download icon, you're just going to see the get option, or sometimes install, whichever one you just want to go ahead and tap on that. For this, we are going to be clicking on the download icon since we want to get the Google Chrome, and then just tap on this icon as well. And sometimes you might actually be required to verify your ID or sign into your Apple account for the downloads to start. In some cases as well, you might actually be required to double tap on the power button for the download to start. Once you've done it several times and your iPhone 17 Pro is able to recognize you over time, you won't be required to continuously verify your account or double tap on the button. Now, once your download is completed, you just want to tap on the open button. You can now see that the Google Chrome browser is downloaded and installed. Also, if you go over to the home, you should now be able to find your recently installed app on your iPhone 17 Pro. That will be all for this video. Please let me know if this video was helpful, guys.